Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new Valorant tutorial video. And in this video, I'll be teaching you how to install Valorant. First, we'll open our browser and type Valorant. Go to the first website. After coming to the website, click play for free. Now sign in to your Riot account. I will sign in now. After signing in, click play free again. Click on the download button and save the file. Now the file will download. You have to wait a bit. After the file is done downloading, just open the file, click run, click on advanced. You can select the install path of Valorant and now click install. That's how you install Valorant. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.